Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger crashes while opening, right? So we'll just go to the Play Store. First once we go to the Play Store, we'll just search here Messenger, right? And we will update our Messenger, right? If you find the option of update in the place of open, then update your Messenger right now. Once you update it, we will just go to the settings of our phone, right? And here on this search bar, we have to just type app management, right? App management is something where all the application which is present over your phone, it will show it here. And here we will just type here Messenger, right? And here once we type here Messenger, go to the storage usage, clear the cache, and try to reopen the sorry, this is message, I'm so sorry, we have to just find a Messenger. Right here we will just go to the storage usage, we'll clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, make sure you just reopen the Messenger app. If it works perfectly fine, then it's great. If it doesn't, then just clear the data. Once you clear the data, then you have to re-log in into your Messenger. Now we will just try to open the Messenger, and here you can see it works perfectly fine. It doesn't crashes, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, subscribe.